Here we go, Jameskor. Personal box of Prime.
Jameskor.
Maxwell Reinhardt, yeah. Classy. Oh my gosh. What's this red stuff coming out of the knife? Oh my gosh. I'm holding the wrong end. Ooh. That may be stuck. There we go. Ooh. At least one of your base is nice. Congrats, you got a good base card.
Good start.
Yaro Halak, $2.99, and Jordan Eberle, number 9 of 10.
Wow.
Nice one. Jonathan Huberdeau, number 81 of 99. I thought it was 1 for a second. 81 of 99, Huberdeau. Prime Sigs. Ooh. Number to 75, Eric Gustafsson. Prime namesakes autograph. Ooh, Dominion. Ryan Murray to 199, Dominion rookie patch autograph. Did you really, Jameskor? You're doing the whole set. Done. Ooh, nice. It's not the patch version, but that's sick. Sing! Alex Galchenyuk, the 25, dual rookie class Prime. And it's a big old scene. 25, 13 to 25. Oh my gosh. Chris Pronger, genuine marks. This box is sick.
These nice boxes.
Genuine marks, Chris Pronger. And wait till you see the rookie. That's pretty good. Brendan Gallagher, numbered to 50, hollow silver, prime rookies. Woo!
I love that.
Sick box.